I made about a gallon of bone broth from just chicken feet yesterday, and we used some for dinner, and we had almost half a gallon left over, which I put in the refrigerator overnight. And I just wanted to show you a couple things about it. First of all, notice how incredibly gelatinous it is. This is a pretty big jar, so it's a little hard for my small hand to turn, but look at the gelatin. It's incredible. And also notice there's a little bit of fat left over, but you get a lot less fat when you make bone broth with chicken feet versus a whole chicken. You have a lot less to take off at the top if you prefer clarified stock, which is what I prefer for making soups and such. So I just wanted to show that to you. See, there's a tiny bit of fat at the top now that I've shaken it up. Very little. Normally, if you put chicken broth in here, chicken stock made from a whole chicken, you'd have probably that much fat at the top after you chill it. But look at how very little there is with just the chicken feet. Plus, you can't mess. You get so much gelatin and collagen that it's amazing. So, and they're less expensive. So go ahead and try making chicken broth with chicken feet next time. Ask your pastured farmer.